Hello, this is Which to Choose. After hours of researching, testing, and reviewing the best Bluetooth headphones on the market, I'm here to share my top 3 picks with you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. In third place, we selected Bose QuietComfort 45, the successor of the famous Bose QC35-2 has arrived. According to the manufacturer, even if the design remains the same, this new version benefits from welcome technical improvements, starting with a 24-hour autonomy, a little longer, active noise cancellation and 50% less volume. In addition, the RBA has been redesigned and now includes 2 settings, mute to eliminate ambient noise and attention to let some sounds through. The headphones feature USB-C connectivity and fast charging to give you 5 hours of listening time in 15 minutes, and Bluetooth 5.1 multipoint connectivity connects to PCs and smartphones simultaneously. With an additional microphone and a repositioning of the previous microphone, the headset is also ideal for calls. A huge hit. As usual, if you want to get more details on this product or on the other products of our selection, go to the bottom of the description to access directly to the link to get it or to access our other videos on the YouTube channel. In second place, we selected Sennheiser Momentum 3. The Sennheiser Momentum 3 wireless continues in its lineage, especially with its bass-heavy but clear and precise high-end sound. Its noise cancellation isn't up to the level of Sony's biggest rivals, and its slightly retro design and impeccable finish offer a satisfactory level of comfort, but it's also slightly below the Sony WH-1000XM4, but cheaper. Its price is also its big drawback. In our opinion, however, the Momentum 3 wireless deserves a place on the podium of the best noise-canceling headphones on the market. And finally, our top 1 Sony WH-1000XM4. After the top-of-the-line WH-1000XM3, Sony is refining the recipe for its ideal active noise-canceling headset, and the WH-1000XM4 is a small step forward. The device features more effective active noise cancellation, improved call quality, multipoint Bluetooth connectivity, finally, and new advanced features. With its excellent noise reduction, top-notch sound quality and optimal comfort, the 1000XM4, like its illustrious predecessor, offers the best performance in the mobile headset segment. On the other hand, the device is no longer compatible with the aptX codec, which is nothing special since it is still LDAC for high-quality streaming, but it is all the same. We'd also like to see the brand take more risks, as the 1000XM4 is still very close to the M. As usual, if you want to get more details on this product or on the other products of our selection, go to the bottom of the description to access directly to the link to get it or to access our other videos on the YouTube channel. We leave here. It was Which to Choose to serve you, and we say to the next one.